Today is Friday, May 7th, and this is just 3 days after our Shop Disney adventure on May the 4th. Today, something very special came in the mail. I can't believe it got here this fast, but I have 2 boxes from Shop Disney, and these should contain the Shop Disney items from May the 4th. Let's get these open and see what we have. Let's get the paper out of the way. Paper. Alright, number 1 item. This is the official May the 4th Be With You collector key. Then I have the official May the 4th Be With You trading pin. It's multiple layers, but really cool looking. And then we have 3 mugs. It's in bubble wrap. Well, that's nice. So this first one is Endor. So I have 1 Endor mug. I'm going to remind you that I got 2 of each mug. Mug number 2. If we're lucky, they'll all have bubble wrap. Oh, look at that, more bubble wrap. And this one is the Tatooine Mug. And this one I'm going to say is also a Tatooine Mug, and it is. Get a load of that. Tatooine Mug number 2. In our first box, we had 2 Tatooine mugs and 1 Endor mug. We also had the May the 4th Be With You collector key and the May the 4th pin. In the next box, which is much bigger, this is about twice the size of that box, which I'm not really sure why, but let's find out what is in this one. Crappy bubble wrap. Not really even making a difference. I got 3 mugs, and I just remembered what else is in here. You see this thing at the bottom right here? We're gonna take that out last. But first, let's look at the mugs that are in this box. Mug number 1 is another Endor mug. So I have Endor mug number 2. I'm gonna say that these are from Batuu, and it is a Batuu mug. And mug number 3 is also a Batuu mug. Get a load of that. Batuu. I love that each mug was wrapped in bubble wrap inside the box so that they're not moving around. There's so much detail on each one of these mugs. There's just Easter eggs all over it. So you might be wondering, well, what was that last thing that was in the box? Well, I had to make sure that my order was rounded out for free shipping and discount's sake. This was already in my cart so that I was ready to go. This is a 4-piece die-cast monorail, and it looks like it's monorail black because they said that there would be a different color monorail in each box, so you weren't sure what you were going to get. It's all taped in at the bottom right here. Each car is separated. It's really neat, this accordion material right here, so it looks like it's a real monorail. But this is going to go over on our shelf right over here, and I'm going to enjoy this. I know that that was not part of Star Wars Day, May the 4th Be With You, but it did come in this order, so I wanted to make sure that you saw that. Have you gotten your May 4th Star Wars Day items yet in the mail? I can't believe that I got these this fast. I filmed this on Friday, May 7th, which is only 3 days after I placed the order. I couldn't believe that it was already here. Put in the comments below whether you've gotten yours yet, and also put in the comments below whether you were able to get everything that you wanted from May the 4th. But until then, remember, no capes.